A year ago, using AI for business sounded futuristic. Today, it's the difference between getting ahead or getting left behind. AI can do things for businesses like answer phone calls, book appointments, follow up with leads, and run entire marketing campaigns on its own. And the best part is that most tools aren't expensive or reserved for big corporations. They're accessible, affordable, and built for small businesses. This means you don't need a tech team, a six-figure budget, or even coding skills to start using AI. So if you haven't started using AI in your business yet, now's the time to jump in, because you could be using AI to grow faster, work less, and save thousands every month. But really quick, before I move on, if we haven't met yet, I'm Sean's clone, an agency owner and licensed tax professional who personally researches and writes every script you see from me. And while Sean is running his businesses, I'm here to share his knowledge with you. But if you have any questions, the real Sean reads every single comment and tries to respond to most. Now listen, what I'm about to share with you today is not a theory. It's what's working right now across real businesses in every niche. I know this because just last month, my agency generated over $400,000 in revenue offering services powered by AI. From local service companies and e-commerce stores to coaches and consultants, every industry has a way to plug in AI and instantly become more profitable. So in this video, I'm breaking down 9 real-world ways you can start using AI for business today, even if you've never used AI before and are a total beginner. Let me explain more, starting with chapter number 1, the AI voice outbound caller. When a lead fills out your form, normally you'd give them a call whenever you get a chance, but your AI caller dials the lead automatically to start the next step. The AI agent can confirm appointments, follow up on quotes, remind clients about unpaid invoices, and even check in with customers just to see how things are going. And I know what some of you are thinking, but no, this isn't some robotic voice repeating a script. It's AI with personality, and you get to choose the personality. You can train it to sound friendly, casual, or professional depending on your brand. Go High Level's AI voice caller turns missed follow-ups into closed deals. The reason this tool is so powerful is because speed to lead response time is one of the biggest predictors of sales success. If you contact the lead within 5 minutes, you're 21 times more likely to close the sale. The AI caller removes that delay entirely, following up instantly 24/7 and passing only high interest leads to your human team. Setting this up is easy. We use a software called Go High Level. First, you'll need to go to AI agents, then voice AI and enable outbound calls. Then number 2, you'll have to go to automation and click create new workflow because outbound voice AI calling can only happen from inside a workflow. Select your trigger to be what makes sense for you, likely a lead form completion, and then if you've already enabled outbound calling and set up a voice AI agent, you can select voice AI outbound call as the next action. Now you basically have an AI employee that can literally call your prospects and clients based on what triggers you set up. But the key is setting up your voice AI agent. And so let me show you how with number 2, AI Voice Receptionist. By the way, if you decide you want to set up the AI employee and features that I'm covering today for yourself, I have a special link in the description below that gets you access to an extended free trial of software we use and a free 1-hour onboarding session. That way you can set up your AI employee fast and test it out without spending any money. And if you love it, it's only $97 per month to continue using it. All right, let's move on and look at another scenario that happens too often. Your phone rings, but you're busy with another client and can't answer it. As a result, the lead calls the next service provider on their list, and that provider does answer. Now, it's not just a missed call, it's a missed sale. With the AI voice receptionist, that problem disappears. Earlier, your AI voice agent handled outbound calls. Now, this one takes care of inbound calls too. The AI agent answers instantly and can route calls to the right person, book appointments directly into your calendar, and trigger automations, like sending a text or email. In Go High Level, you'll first need to set up your AI agent under the AI Agents tab. Click Voice AI in the blue Create Agent button. From there, you can select the sound of the voice you want it to have, submit your website URL for it to comb through your entire website and learn everything it needs to about your business, and then coach it on what kind of tone to have in its replies and how to talk to leads. Think of it as your 24/7 front desk receptionist that never sleeps, never calls in sick, and never forgets a name. And remember, this same voice AI agent can be used to handle your outbound and inbound calls. This is especially valuable for service-based businesses where every call represents potential revenue. If your average client is worth hundreds of dollars, just capturing 2 or 3 missed calls a week can pay for the system many times over. You've probably seen chatbots on other websites before that were kind of boring, robotic sounding, and limited to text-only functions, but the new generation of AI chatbots is different. With Go High Level's AI chatbot, visitors can ask questions, book appointments, or get quotes instantly with natural back and forth conversation. And you can even set it up so that it can respond to voice notes. Similar to the setup of your voice agents, you can teach your AI chatbot how to respond using your existing FAQs, customer messages, and brand tone prompts. The more context you feed it, the smarter and more authentic it becomes. For example, let's say you're a real estate agent and a potential buyer visits your site at 10 p.m. Instead of leaving the site with no action, the chatbot greets them. Hey there, are you looking to buy or sell a home? When they reply buy, it asks relevant follow-up questions like their budget and preferred area, and then schedules a consultation for the next morning. By the time you wake up, your AI has already booked you a qualified lead, and the beauty is it integrates seamlessly with your CRM. Every interaction, name, and note is recorded automatically, so your follow-up is personalized without you doing manual data entry. Most small business owners waste weeks and thousands of dollars on web design. Now, you can have a complete website built in minutes with Go High Level's AI Website Builder. Click over to Sites and Website if you want to create a new website, or if you've already done that, you can click to Funnels and select New Funnel. In both cases, Go High Level will give you template options to choose from, or you can make one from scratch. Either option is quick, but the templates help give total beginners a good place to start. And with the funnel, you actually have a third option where you can allow AI to create a funnel for you in less than 30 seconds. It'll just ask you a couple questions about your business to get the information it needs to make one. The goal here is to create a website that allows you to capture leads and appointments and to set up a funnel that leads customers to take that specific action. For example, beyond a simple homepage and About Us page, you might also have an action-specific landing page with a corresponding thank you page. Anyone who used to pay $2,000 or more per website can now use AI to build them instantly and edit them within minutes with Go High Level, even with no prior website experience. AI even writes the sales copy in your tone of voice, whether you want it to sound friendly, professional, urgent, helpful, etc. The result is a conversion-optimized funnel that looks custom and performs like it was built by a $10,000 agency, and you can instantly update your site's messaging using AI insights. If there's a part of your website that isn't performing well, ask the AI to rewrite your offer, adjust the layout, or test new angles, all inside the same platform. This means your website evolves in real time with your business without hiring designers or copywriters every few months. Think about every mundane, repetitive business task that you take care of every week and how long they take. Now imagine AI handling those tasks for you. You'd get the task done and get your time back. You no longer have to manually send reminders, follow-ups, or payment requests. AI workflows let you automate all of it with intelligence. Here's a quick demo of how it works. You set your trigger to be whatever makes sense based on what you're doing. For example's sake, we'll say that a lead form was filled out. Once that happens, we send them email 1 and text message 1 with a 1-day delay before sending them email 2. Then we set up a condition where if the lead replies, we send them one set of steps, whereas if they didn't, they'd receive another set of steps. This is as close to a personalized experience as you can provide for your customers without dedicating a real person to the same task. And even then, a real person wouldn't be available to do this 24/7 like AI can. And automations like this work for all kinds of circumstances. Like if a lead books an appointment, it automatically sends them a confirmation text. Or if they don't show for that appointment, it sends a follow-up and reschedules them. Or after you complete your service for them, AI asks for a review. But we can actually take it one step further than this because you don't even have to manually build this funnel out. If you're creating a new automation from scratch, just go to Automation on the left and then click Build using AI. It'll ask you to tell it what kind of automation flow you want, or you can select from some of the pre-existing prompts there. Once you do that, it'll start building the workflow all on its own, and you can continue to give it instructions and tweak it until it's set up perfectly the way you want. Setting up automations to respond to leads 24/7 has never been easier for people with zero experience doing this kind of stuff before. Automation ensures every lead gets consistent, polished communication while you focus on bigger things. This is how small businesses scale without hiring and how you capture every possible lead. Keeping up with DMs, emails, and texts can be exhausting, and missed replies kill conversions. Go High Level's AI Conversations tool connects all your channels, SMS, Facebook, Instagram, email, and lets AI respond instantly. For example, a customer could text, "Hey, what's your pricing?" AI instantly replies, "Hey there. What service are you looking for?" Then I can send the pricing for that specific service. Once it knows, it sends a quote and books them in your calendar. This alone can double your conversion rate because leads get real-time replies everywhere, not hours later. You can even have it pre-qualify leads with questions about location, budget, or timeline. So by the time you step in, you're only talking to serious buyers. Just go to AI agents like before, click Conversation AI, and create bot. You can choose what kind of bot you want to make, a general FAQ one or an appointment booker. From there, you can customize your bot on the kind of responses it gives and the questions it asks. And again, it integrates with your CRM, automatically updating contact records and tracking interactions. Your reputation is your currency. Trust is the number one factor that drives a purchase, especially for small or local businesses. AI helps you maintain that trust automatically. For example, after a service is concluded successfully, AI can text, "Hey, thanks for choosing us. Mind leaving a quick review?" This process increases positive reviews, boosts your local search rankings, and builds trust with new prospects, all without you lifting a finger. You'll go to the Reputation tab and go high level, click Settings, and you can set up the review requests on whichever channel you want to. You could jump from 10 Google reviews to 200 or more in 60 days just by letting AI handle this. When prospects see those 5-star ratings, they click your business instead of scrolling past. If you're tired of spending hours on social posts that underperform, let AI handle it. You can use ChatGPT or Gemini to instantly write captions, hooks, and CTAs tailored to your audience. Feed it examples of top performing posts or competitors for inspiration. Then use AI Studio or Canva Magic Design to create matching visuals. Here's an example of this in action. Tell ChatGPT, write 5 short posts for Instagram about home renovation tips for homeowners. AI will create captions, hashtags, and image ideas. You'll approve them, tweak them, and work with AI to get them exactly how you want them. Then drop the copy into AI Studio, which generates matching graphics. Schedule all 5 posts directly from Go High Level, and your week's marketing is done in under 30 minutes. You can even use Go High Level's native AI tools when scheduling to help you think of more creative captions or to edit what you have. That's how small businesses compete with corporate level marketing teams, by using AI. And last but not least, number 9, AI avatars and clones. You can now clone yourself, voice, face, tone, and all using HeyGen and 11 Labs. You're watching Sean's AI clone right now. Having an AI clone means you can create professional videos without filming, editing, or even showing up. Your avatar can record explainer videos, send personalized client messages, or create tutorials and ads. For owners who hate being on camera or lack time, this is a game changer. You can build trust, scale content, and stay personal, completely hands-off. Imagine sending a custom video to every new lead automatically. That used to take hours, now it takes minutes. If you're wearing multiple hats, this is how you multiply yourself without burnout. We use every one of these tools in our own business. Before we wrap up, let me share one more important note. The truth is that AI isn't replacing humans. It's replacing busy work and freeing humans to focus on growth, creativity, and service. Every task you automate gives you more time to work on your business, not in it, and that's where real money is made. So here's what I want you to do next. First, click the link below to start your free Go High Level trial. You'll get a free 1-hour onboarding call with my team that'll help you get ready to set your AI systems up as quickly as possible. As a bonus, you'll also get my AI Business Blueprint course completely free. By the end of that call, you'll have everything you need to get your own automated AI system running, saving time, closing deals, and building momentum.